An MOC topic of last year was chronic illness and transition of care, so we included it this year. These recommendations were updated last year, and nearly 20% of children have special health care needs necessitating a transition of care. In talking with many of you are med peds, and no one is better prepared for transition of care than those of you trained in med peds, and certainly in family medicine. But for pediatrics, we have to know when and how best to transition care of someone with a chronic illness. Planning is recommended to begin as early as 12 to 14 years of age, with formal referral in late adolescence, with a priority to achieve health equity, elimination of disparities, self-determination, and self-management when at all possible. Identify and communicate with the new healthcare provider. These are the recommended records and other information that you should share with the new healthcare provider. There are screening tools that you should be familiar with that the AAP recommends for transition of care. They are all listed here, and these tools measure multiple domains, not only in regards to the chronic illness itself, but the long-term treatment plan, and are very specific to address nutritional status, self-management skills, issues of reproduction, which are critically important, and issues of appropriate birth control and ongoing support.